Hey y'all.
Hey Gallivanters.
So we are now in Florence, our favorite city of all, I think, so far. Just kind of getting settled in. Want to give you a quick tour of the apartment right here. I mean, we are literally right at the Duomo.
Yes.
And then I think we'll probably take a little stroll through the historic center and likely wind up at
our favorite little cafe.
Yep. Stay tuned to check it out. They've got lots of goodies, and it's a great place to people watch.
Hey y'all. So we made it to Florence, and now we're headed to find a taxi so we can get to our apartment. Hey y'all, so we made it to Florence, made it to our apartment, and so we want to show you what our apartment looks like this time. Here is the front door. And as you walk in, this is our living area. And there's Melinda. And then, like, the walls are deceiving. So if you open up this, you have a washer, which comes in handy. I'm sure we'll be using that. And then, if you walk over here, yeah, it's a little loud, guys. Sorry, we're actually on a busy street right next to the Duomo, and we have the windows open because it's wonderful here. The weather's wonderful. And then voila, we have a kitchen. So the kitchen has obviously a stove, a refrigerator. We even have a dishwasher, sink, everything that you could possibly need. And then around here we have some cabinets with a coffee maker, microwave, toaster, utensils. We have a wardrobe, which is nice. Got all our clothes in there. A little TV, which we won't use, but we have one. And then we don't have the doors shut, but there are doors to this along with curtains, and this goes into the bedroom. And we each have little, nightstands. And the bed's pretty low and pretty soft. This right here is just a closet. Then you walk in here, you open up this door, you have the shower, which isn't real big, but I guess it's big enough. Got our washcloths, gotta have those. And then of course there's just a sink. Then you walk in here, and this is where the potty is. And that's really all it is. And a little sink. And there I am. Hey. So this is our apartment for the week in Florence. We're so excited. It's one of our favorite places.
What she's not telling y'all is we timed this to be here this week because somebody has a sort of big birthday. Not quite as big as my recent one, but somebody has a big birthday this week. We're going to celebrate that here in Florence because that was her location of choice for this birthday.
Given the option, I said Florence because who wouldn't want Florence? Florence is awesome. The people are awesome. The city's awesome. We got checked in, got here, and we were both starving. We took the train from Rome to here, and we went to our favorite little cafe, Paskowski's, and we don't know what it is about it, but it's just awesome. I mean, it's comfortable. You can people watch. It's right on Republic Square, and so yeah. So just stay tuned for more. See ya.
Just remember, if you like this video and you want to see more, please hit the like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you want to get notifications,
Hit the bell. Dingy dong.
we will also have this all written up on our blog at gallivantinggals.com. And until next time, remember,
Live your best life.
bye y'all.
See ya.